What would you say some misconceptions you had about investing, or just like saving and investing before you got into this lifestyle?
So when you hear of investing, I feel like everyone just sort of, or stocks and shares, you think of Wolf of Wall Street. See, you think it's fast paced and you need to constantly be on your phone. And I think one thing that did almost stop me from doing it was, I'm not a mathematician, never have been, never will be. Numbers confuse me, but you actually don't need to be a mathematician to understand, you know, what is a good stock, their outgoings, their this, their that.
Yeah.
If you just get a general understanding and you keep teaching yourself, then you can do it. But definitely don't think that you have to be super smart at maths or the most knowledgeable person.
Preach! Keep on preaching!
But yeah, you don't have to be an A-star machine. Like, you can do it. And I definitely feel like that is a misconception, or that you need loads of money, that just you can start off small.
100%.
And plus, some stocks are relatively cheap at the moment that everyone can afford. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, no, I completely agree.